In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to update Netflix account information. Let's get started. First, launch your Netflix app or navigate to the Netflix account on the web version. Then, head over to this page, My Netflix. Click on your Netflix profile. Navigate to the option account. Now, from this page, you are able to update or customize your account information. Here, you are able to generate password. Likewise, reset your email or phone number. From here, you can manage the access and devices. From here, you are able to adjust parental controls and profile transfer. In case you want to change your Netflix plan or change your payment method, from here you can do that. If you want to make any changes in your profile, head back. Click on the option Manage Profiles. Click on the profile that you want to edit. Now from here, you are able to make changes for the profile. You can customize these settings, and once you do that, you can click on Done. This way you can easily update Netflix account information. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.